set up like this. This is very... Before dawn, I'm heading to my boat, picking up breakfast. So what I'm thinking to catch today is something silver, something very long, and something very shiny, and super delicious. It's one of the most popular targets here in Japan, from summer to fall. Alright, so let's set up the rig. Tachiuo 200 electric reel. And I'd like to use this external leader, 30 pounds. This is the main rig I'm using today. It's called Tenya. And frozen bait, sardine. And attach to this Tenya rig and wrap up with this wire. Alright, it's set up like this. Alright, so everything has been set up. Let's launch the boat. Alright, now we are at the spot of that silvery fish. It's about 3 miles offshore, and there are already some boats over here. They're all catching bellfish. It's about 100 meters deep, so let's drop the rig. So the fish I'm targeting today is called Tachiuo. It's beltfish. The opening season is August every year, and it closes January. This is a quite popular target that we can enjoy for a long period of time, especially here in Osaka Bay. They live in large groups, so if we could find their schools, we would catch a lot. And another reason that they get really popular is that they are really tasty. Their quality white meat goes pretty well with many different kinds of cooking. So today I'd like to share some of the cooking methods that we enjoy with Tachiuo. This looks a little better. So it's tagging. Not big, it's still small. Still small though, eating size. No, you gotta be really careful of their teeth. Super sharp. If you touch them, you can't stop bleeding. Alright, let's get another one. What I'm doing here is just drop it down to the bottom and keep winding it evenly, very slow. And sometimes make it a little shake, give it some actions, something like this. Make some actions. Another one. Hit around 60 meters. Alright. Gotta be really careful when you unhook it. Never touch their teeth. Super sharp. Right. Put it in the cooler. And let's get another one. Another big one. Alright, so this is how I prep this fish. Rinse it and chop off this head and cut it evenly. 20 centimeters each.
あ、すごい。いっぱい釣れたよ。
Okay, so I'm gonna cook something easy for my lunch. Wow, it's big. I use this one. Alright, one fillet. The other side too. Slice it. Alright. Okay, scallion. Can't miss the scallion. Salt. Sesame oil. And magic seasoning. Ponzu. Okay, mix them together. And scallion. Right, here it is. Instant sashimi. Let's try. It's good. It's very crispy and meat is sweet. Right. Tachiuo. Tachiuo. Okay, let's make some sashimi. Okay, wipe off the excess water. Only this much. Okay, let's use this one. The other half too. Okay, this is the sauce. Sesame oil and ponzu. Dressing for sashimi. This is very shiny, isn't it? It's done, sashimi. Now I get to work on the fried fish. Let's go. Salt and pepper. Flour. Fry them in an oil. make the sauce for fried fish. Garlic, mince it, olive oil, garlic. Okay, fried fish is done. Okay, one more. Add some batter and sake and ponzu. Mix with sauce, parsley, okay, done. Alright, so this is fried bellfish with lemon butter sauce. It was pretty easy. Let me try. It's nice. The meat is very soft and tender.